Let's compare my Aeris Air Light Air Purifier, which you can see here. It's got a really cool design, I think, and we'll get into that a bit more, but let's compare this to the Coway Mighty Air Purifier. So the Aeris, you can see again, looks really cool. It's got this fabric cover on the outside that I like, and it has a HEPA filter, so it's great for filtering out dust and animal dander, pollen, all those kinds of things. It does have an air quality sensor on this as well, and so it will automatically adjust the speed of the fan to match the quality of the air in your house. That's nice because you don't have to worry about adjusting that manually. Overall, really good looking air purifier. Aeris sent this to me to try out, so thanks for that. But how does it compare to the Coway Mighty? So the things they have in common, the Coway Mighty also has a HEPA filter, and it also does have that air quality sensor, which is really helpful. Again, both of these purifiers can switch themselves on as the air in your house degrades. So like if you burn something in the kitchen or you light a candle, anything that it can detect, it'll automatically switch on. The Coway does have an ionizer, so if you care about that, that's something to keep in mind. I think it has a little bit less interesting of a design, a little more classic versus the Aeris. But the biggest thing I think is just the buttons on here are just a little clearer. They're labeled. You can see the instructions, exactly what you need to do to set this. The Aeris, because it is very minimal in its design, it doesn't have a lot of labeling on the buttons. The only other major difference is that the Aeris does have an air quality screen on it that tells you a measurement of the air quality. It's very basic, but it is there. The Coway does not have that. You just get a little light on here that changes color based on the air quality. Both of them are perfect for a small to medium-sized room. It's not going to work as great in a big room or an open concept house. These are great for your home office, your bedroom, that kind of thing. Overall, both really fantastic purifiers.